Hey everybody, this is Alan Fine, and I'm here with Scott Wiseman, who we have on Insider Travel Report as much as we can. He's the Senior Vice President and General Manager of Apple Leisure Group Vacations, and we are going to talk about a new thing that they're doing, that they're pushing on social media. And so those travel advisors who don't know about it, this will be very informative here on Insider Travel Report. Scott, thanks for talking to us.
Oh, please. It's always my pleasure.
So what is going on? You've done social media before, but this is a new explosion, it seems like, that's happened.
Yeah, I mean, we're following the trend that's out there. If you haven't heard of TikTok, you might have been stuck in a cave for a while. So yeah, we're embracing that and trying to create a way that we can help the travel advisors connect with the people that are on TikTok, and especially from a travel perspective.
But why TikTok all of a sudden? What happened?
Well, again, the numbers are really tough to argue with. We're talking about 1.2 billion views a month, which is just astronomical. Right. Not to mention that 70% of the people that are on TikTok are under the age of 40. It's a great demographic to get to. And when you think that this past year, the amount of visits, it's the most visited domain, it beat Google. Yeah, so how do you ignore that as a platform?
So what should people be aware of when they use TikTok? What are the things they should think about?
Yeah, I think it's commitment. I mean, you're learning something new, but if it's something you want to go on periodically and just, put a post once a week, it's not enough. So you have to be committed to be able to do that. And there's a couple of tips too and tricks that you can do as well.
Okay. Do you have any for it?
Yeah, I think the first one is if you hashtag something like hashtag travel or you do hashtag vacations, you have a better chance with their algorithm to pick up what your content is and get it spread around through
and if they're using hashtags that you look at, you can then help them.
Yeah, absolutely. If you use, there's two ways to do it. One, if you use the content we're putting out, because we have our own TikTok channel as well, which is, at Ask a Travel Advisor, ALGV, you're going to be able to get the content we're putting out, which you can reshare or use or curate in your own. And the other one is, if you include us and use our hashtag, we'll then repurpose and spread it as well.
Well, why not get a tow? Like, why do it all by yourself? Why not, latch on?
Let's help each other get that message out.
So how can travel advisors learn more about TikTok?
Well, the good news is we brought in experts, right, many times to help us. And so we have webinars that are happening all the time. You can always go to our VAC site and make sure that you're pulling up the ones you missed, tips and tricks. It's all there. So learn from what we learned and use the resources we have.
So where do they go? Which particular TikTok?
At Ask a Travel Advisor, ALGV.
Okay, then they'll see it all.
Yeah, they'll see it all, absolutely.
In fact, we have something they can use right now.
Yeah, absolutely. We've got the fun of QR codes. So this is one where if you use this as a QR code, you'll get a fun little background. Go closer. How's that?
Yeah, see if you can. Oh, there's glare on it. See if you can scan that. See, we're trying to help you live. Okay.
All right, perfect. Excellent. I can leave that over here.
Yes. We're going out to more than 109,000 travel advisors. Some of them have used Apple Leisure Group's products, some have not. What message do you have for them?
All right. Listen, it's the time to partner with someone that you know is going to help grow your business, a true partnership. And we want to be that partner for you. We want to help you grow your business. We want to help you earn more. And so just even TikTok is one little way that we can do that. But use your partners and the partnership that we have to help grow our combined businesses. We're here for you.
Thank you for informing us about this.
My pleasure.
And this is Alan Fine for Insider Travel Report.